Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Tron Network and Trust Wallet together, how you can swap it, buy it, send it, and also stake it. So first of all, you want to go ahead and add the assets to your Trust Wallet. First of all, we need to go ahead and enable it. So on the top right corner right there, you want to click on this plus sign. After this, as you can see, you can enable a lot of cryptocurrencies. So we want to choose all networks right there and choose Tron. Now you will have all of these Tron network cryptos on the Tron network, and you want to go ahead and choose. So for example, for today, let's choose USDT. If you chose USDT, you also need to toggle on Tron, TRX, because for every transaction, you will need to pay a small fee, and it will be in Tron, so in TRX. Now we can send some Tron from our exchange or buy tokens here. So to buy tokens, you want to click on, for example, TRX. Let's click on it. As you can see, you can go ahead and click on buy and choose the amount and pay with Apple Pay, for example, or with some other transactions like MoonPay, Alchemy Pay, but here you will need to go ahead and sign up, and also I believe you will need to go ahead and go through KYC, which takes a lot of time. So what I better suggest to do is go ahead and receive TRX from, for example, Binance or Bybit, and basically this is just a better way to exchange it. So you can go ahead, click receive. After this, just copy the address of your Tron, go to your Binance, for example, or Bybit or OKX. There's a lot of exchange platforms. From Binance, you want to click withdraw on your assets and go ahead and search for Tron, just like so. Send via crypto network. Now you're going to enter the address here, and then you're going to choose Tron network. After this, you're going to enter the amount and you're going to withdraw it to your Trust Wallet. And you also want to do the same with USDT. You also want to send it to your Trust Wallet. So you enter the address, select Tron network, make sure the network is Tron TRC20, and then you will see your Tron and USDT on your homepage on your cryptocurrencies. So you will see this one and this one here. After you have transferred it, you can go ahead and for example, choose USDT of Tron Network, and you can go ahead and click send and enter the address where you want to send it and the amount. This is one way how you can send it. There's also an option for you to stake it. Now, to stake it, you can actually use just Trust Wallet. So once you are on Trust Wallet and choose this Tron, you can go ahead and click Start Earning right there, and then you will see that you can stake it. I don't have Tron now, but basically you will choose the amount, you will choose the validator. As you can see, there's a lot of options. They are almost the same. You can go ahead and choose whichever you like, and then you will be able to stake your TRX. Now, there was an option to swap the coins, for example, from USDT Tron. You want to go ahead and swap it to staked USDT, but you are not able to do this anymore on Trust Wallet, as there is no networks on swapping. There's no Tron network on swapping the coins, as you can see. So this is not available anymore. So the only option to stake it is through here and by choosing the provider. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you use Tron Network with Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.